Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over what is LG channels. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have recently gotten an LG Smart TV and you notice this app called LG Channels. So what is it? Essentially what this red app here is that it's LG's exclusive free streaming service that provides live and on-demand content. So you could actually watch movies, you can watch TV shows, you can watch news, sports, and best of all, it's free. So this is available practically on all LG Smart TVs. It is ad supported though, but it also doesn't require a cable subscription. Now users can basically access this app at any given point as soon as they turn on their TV. And with it, you'll have a variety of different TV shows and movies in order to watch. I'd say the only downside though is, as I've said before, there are ads in between shows. But I kind of miss that. I kind of miss that about watching different TV shows where there's ads in between. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what is LG channels on your LG Smart TV. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.